Hello out there. Welcome to our webinar, How to Upgrade Your Oracle Database Without Performance Degradation. You can guarantee performance with SQL Baselines in the Oracle database. My name is Dave Anderson. I'll moderate today. And our presenter today is John Watson, who's an Oracle Certified Master DBA. And he is the Director of Skill Builder's Oracle Database Services. So if you engage with us to help us with your DBA administration projects or any cloud hosting, John will be at the center of those operations, those projects. So don't forget, if you have questions, go ahead and chat them in. There's a question and answer box probably on the right side of your screen, unless you've relocated it. And we do hope you have lots of questions. We'll try to get to as many as we can. So let me pass it over to John for today's webinar. Thank you, John.
The topic we thought might be interesting to look at today is how to stabilize execution plans as you go through the process of upgrading your Oracle database. Now, in the Oracle environment, any sort of upgrade, perhaps even just a release update, can be frightening because of unexpected impacts on SQL performance. So what our agenda is to outline why this performance instability can occur. Why do we have this upgrade paranoia? Why can things go so wrong with an upgrade? Then we'll go through two techniques for stabilizing your SQLs through the upgrade procedure. First, a precisely targeted approach, where you, the DBA, will identify a problem, you'll determine the cause, and you'll arrive at a solution. And that's a nice way to do it, but it's going to be extraordinarily time-consuming, very resource-intensive, which is why I would often recommend a different approach, which is where you stabilize the entire environment. A much more general approach. There's no need to think. You just rely on Uncle Oracle. Uncle Oracle will look after you through a declarative technique. Both techniques reach the same end point. There's a process Oracle calls evolution. And through the process of evolution, performance of your SQLs should improve over time and never degrade. It's a self-learning mechanism. Evolution, improvement over time without any performance regression. Well, I say performance will never degrade. It won't degrade because of execution plan changes. And remember, execution plan changes can occur at any time for many reasons. You've got your adaptive features, dynamic sampling, objects and system stats. And in this particular case, it can happen because of an upgrade.